video editing?
No, for storage.
Oh, that's good. So this way?
You wanna see the orchideas?
Up here?
No, it's there. In those houses.
So in here?
Yeah.
E minha mãe, ela
God, the weather cooperated. Oh my god. Aren't you glad?
Yeah.
It was raining every day.
Babe,
Like heavy rain.
I wanna pay. Again, my belly.
Estômago grande. No? Estômago grande?
Estômago grande, yes.
Estômago grande. Just kidding. Can we go here?
Here?
Is it open?
I think it's for cards. It seems like it's a place to walk.
We saw Chicana last time, no?
I think so.
Okay, hold on. We saw... Where?
Smells like mango here.
I'm waiting for it to kind of clear up with people. Let me do follow mode.
I think by the trees, the palm trees, would be nice.
Where's the car? Is that side?
There, down there.
Okay, sure. That's what